All right. What's up? What's good? What's going on? Welcome back to Buffed Up TV. Man, listen. When Coach Prime say he ain't done yet, and he hasn't even started, he meant it. When I said he was a genius, people, I meant it. Listen, this recruiting process is relentless for Colorado. So let me tell you a little something about what's going on. Coach Prime and Prairie View A&M University head coach Bubba McDowell, former safety for the NFL Houston Oilers, are hosting a mega camp in Texas on June 1st. Coach Prime working with an HBCU to snatch up even more talent to add to the roster. Like I said, Colorado is relentless and persistent, and best believe it will pay off for the upcoming season and beyond. Coach Prime knows how to find those diamonds in the rough, y'all. It's going down, and we ain't done yet. So, has anyone actually seen a roster overhaul like what we're seeing at Colorado right now? A total of 12 players have officially left before the spring game and entering the transfer portal. Listen, guys at CU Boulder are either leaving to find better opportunities, didn't make the cut, don't see opportunities to play, or Colorado is just making room for them dogs. So when we look at it, there are 38 scholarship players left from last year. And there are new players coming in so far are 47. So that's 85, right? There's only 85 scholarships allowed, people. And they're at 85 right now with those numbers. So that means what? More changes to come. So we just got to stay tuned and pay attention to see who coming through. Oh man, we got a huge transfer in Willie SRT Gaines, a speedster. Listen, this offense is going to be lightning. They're going to cause some big time problems for a lot of teams. Well, that's all I got for you. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for notifications. Boy, it's going down.
Yep. Y'all better recognize Coach Prime. He ain't playing. He never was, and he never will be. Let's go. Yeah.
Say what I'm about to say. Let's work. Let's work. Let's win. Let's win. Let's compete. Let's compete. Let's work. Let's work. Let's win. Let's win. Let's compete. Let's compete. I'm him. 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 I'm him.